After the woodsman freed Grandma and Little Red Riding Hood from the wolf's belly, life in the village returned to normal. However, the girl never forgot the lesson she learned and always listened to her mother's advice. Yet, the story didn't end there. One day, while walking through the forest with a basket of freshly baked pies, Little Red Riding Hood noticed movement in the bushes. Her heart skipped a beat. Was it another wolf? But instead, a small grey puppy with sad eyes emerged. "Are you lost?" Little Red Riding Hood asked, crouching down. The puppy whimpered pitifully. He was so thin that the girl immediately decided to help him. She gave him one of the pies and noticed a small bell hanging from a collar around his neck. Little Red Riding Hood realized he must have an owner. "I'll help you find your way home," she said determinedly. The puppy wagged his tail joyfully. He led her down a winding forest path that grew narrower and more overgrown. Before long, Little Red Riding Hood found herself in a dense part of the woods she had never visited before. Suddenly, the path led to an old moss-covered cottage. The door creaked open, and a tall woman with silver hair and a stern expression appeared on the threshold. It was an old witch, feared by many in the village. "Thank you for bringing my little one back," said the witch, taking the puppy into her arms. Her voice was softer than Little Red Riding Hood had expected. "But why did you venture so deep into the forest?" "I just wanted to help," the girl replied honestly. "But I must go home now. My mother will be worried." The witch paused, then handed the girl a small bundle. "For your kindness, I give you this. But remember, use it only in times of great need." Little Red Riding Hood thanked the witch and hurried home. When she opened the bundle, she found a tiny golden compass inside. It turned out the compass always pointed the way to those who cared for her most. In times of danger, it could guide her out of any trouble. This magical gift saved Little Red Riding Hood on more than one occasion in her future adventures, but that's a story for another time.